Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel of Will Blanza Realty TV. Nandito kami ngayon sa site ng South 2 Residences at ipapakita namin ang construction update. And also, we're going to discuss the RFO, which is the South 1 Residences, na meron kaming Ready for Occupancy program.
We are very much happy and excited to present this property to you. This is Tracy Balanon
And CJ Arceo of Will Blanza Realty TV.
Tara guys, samahan nyo kami as we give you a quick tour about South 2 Residences.
Hello guys! Nandito tayo sa South 2 showroom at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang combined unit ng 1+1 bedroom. So, ito yung upgraded unit ng sample ng South 2 Residences. This one is naka-fully interior na siya. Meron tayong overhead cabinet, lower head cabinet, granite tiles, 3 combined colors ang ginawa, black, white, and wood colors para maganda. And nilagyan din siya ng mga lightning para malinaw at maganda yung ambience. Yung color ng lights natin is warm light. So, dito tayo sa toilet and bath. Papakita ko naman sa inyo na etong toilet and bath natin is supposedly may shower dito, pero ang ginawa is in-upgrade na lang. Ginawang washing machine para meron tayong pwedeng labahan. And then eto, upgraded na din, nilagyan namin ng bagong sink, mirror, interior yung wall. And along the way, this one, supposedly, is meron ditong partition for 1 bedroom. So, dahil combined unit tayo, dinalawa na, so ginawa namin tong living area. So, sa living area, meron tayong malaking sopa, sobrang wide, so comfy kapag dito ka. And then, eto, pwede nyong gayahin. Ganito siya. Napakaganda at sobrang minimal lang yung gamit na nilalagay dito. Meron din tayong dining dito sa side na to na sobrang cozy and classy. So, this one is another 1 bedroom na kinombine siya through this one. Ang ginawa kasi, ni-knock down na lang to para maging confined ang unit natin. So, ang ginawa dito is 1 bedroom. So, na-widen yung space mo. Sobrang laki ng space. This one is king-size bed. So, pwedeng pang bachelor yung unit na to or yung nag-umpisang family. So, eto naman ginawang office. Para just in case, work from home, pwede nyong gayahin din ito. And ipapakita ko sa inyo dahil 2 bedroom siya, so meron tayong 2 toilet and bath. Ito yung ginawa nilang toilet and bath. So, napakaganda, napaka-cozy, and relaxing. At nilagyan natin siya ng walk-in closet. So, ayan guys, para magkaroon lang kayo ng idea, pwede nyong gayahin ang unit na to. Promo updates of Sub 1 residences for only 5 spot down payment, you can now move into our project, and 15% into 22 months and 80% through bank financing.
Wow naman, CJ, for just only 5% down payment, the client can move in na sa South Residences. So stop renting, get your own unit now.
That's right, Tracy. And good news sa mga investors natin, we still have few units left to invest.
And for the pre-selling project natin, CJ, for South 2 Residences, we offer no spot down payment for as low as 11,000 per month in 48 months.
Take note, 11,000 per month without interest for 48 months na wala kang ilalabas para ka lang nag-i-invest or nag-iipon sa bangko. And marami pa tayong units to offer.
And there are only 3 steps to reserve a unit. The first thing you need to do is to accomplish a reservation agreement form.
Number 2 is government-issued IDs at least 2.
And number 3, you can pay your reservation fee via online, IP88 or credit card.
And you can pay it also via GCash, remittances, and bills payment.
So I hope, guys, we give you a quick tour about the construction update of South 2 Residences and the promo for South 2 Residences and South 1 Residences.
So we would like to thank and shout out to all my buyers and my buyers to South 2 and South 1 Residences. So I have a copy of it. So shout out to Miss Maria Cruz, Sir Ismael Cruz, Sir Robin Miranda, Miss Jocelyn Hioki, Miss Alicia Uson, Miss Lou Molina, Sir Benedict Abin, Miss Jobet Cabio, Mr. Danilo Sampang. Hello, sir. Ang dami mong biniling unit sa akin. Thank you. And Miss Desiree K. Arazanzo, Miss Abigail Carol, Sir Libon Gonzalez, Sir Daryl Laposas, Ralph Christian Teodoro, Miss Evelyn Teodoro, Miss Marie Sheena de la Cruz, Miss Nea Bakay, and Mr. Joe Raymond Bakay.
So I would like to shout out also to my clients, which is the Mr. June Enrique, Liz Niranam, Genesis Calda, Mayflower Altamira, Jewelyn Palaya, Kim Penuela, Sofia Patterson, Lilibet Subanarat, Feng Tang Wei, and Sir Richard Uy.
Thank you for investing to our project, South 1 and South 2 Residences. And for those clients that who wants to invest here at South 1 and South 2 Residences, please don't hesitate to contact us.
For those who are new to our channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So again, I'm Tracy Balanon,
and this is CJ Arceo
of Film Blanza Realty TV.